Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies with some fog that just rolled in the area this morning. Going to see a cold front move through for the morning hours today. That's going to give us a good chance of rainfall as well as a chance of an isolated thunderstorm across the region this morning. So our rainfall chances, once we move, especially past about 9 to 10 a.m. this morning, we're going to see those rain shower chances approaching 100%. So looking like those rain shower chances will happen, and we'll have also about a 30% chance of a thunderstorm moving through. Taking a quick look at our radar imagery across the region, you can see we do have some showers popping up in the area. Also seeing some lightning with those showers and with the embedded thunderstorms across the region, seeing those north of the area as well as out to the south and east. But overall, we'll see this line of shower activity moving towards the region, and with that we'll see a possibility of an embedded thunderstorm for this morning. Once we move in the afternoon hours today, things will start to clear and we'll see a mild day in general once the low clouds move out of the area. There, current observation, we have overcast deck at 300 feet, a mile and a half visibility. We have winds out of the southeast at 7 knots, temperature at 46 degrees, and relative humidity at 96%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of clouds across the region this morning, and that's going to be the case until this cold front moves through the region during the late morning into the early afternoon hours. And then we'll see some residual low clouds for the early afternoon, and then we'll see some clearing skies expected with improving conditions across the region with some mild temperatures for later this afternoon. And taking a look at the HERM model here, you can see once we move into about 9 to 10 a.m. this morning, we'll see those showers moving through the area, and then right about 11 to 12 this morning into the early afternoon, we'll see that cold front move through, and with that we'll see our chance of a thunderstorm across the region. Thereafter, we'll see improving conditions, especially during the mid-afternoon hours with those low clouds starting to erode across the region, and we'll see our temperatures warm into the 50s. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see that red condition for our rain this morning, a yellow for our lightning, so looking at those lightning chances around 30 to 40%. We'll also see a red condition for our ceilings. Those ceilings will continue to linger through the afternoon hours today, but with the decrease in cloudiness, we'll see our temperatures rise to a high around 59 degrees for the late afternoon hours, and then overnight we'll see some drier conditions moving through the region and seeing those temperatures drop down to 41 degrees. Our winds will become gusty later this evening with a secondary frontal boundary pushing in some weak cold air advection, giving us our wind gusts up to 25 knots during the late afternoon into the evening hours. As far as our terminal forecast goes, we'll see low clouds in through the afternoon, and then once we move into the mid to late afternoon hours, as I mentioned, we'll see those VFR conditions. Looks like they'll prevail thereafter. Our tides are half to 1 foot above normal, looking at Saturday into Sunday. Saturday, partly cloudy and pleasant, high 53 degrees. Nice day to start the weekend. Green chart across the board. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a light rain shower by dawn. We'll see a low of 41. And for Sunday, overcast rain likely increasing, breezy to windy conditions by evening, and we'll see a possibility of the rain mixing with snow late in the day on Sunday. We'll see a high during the early afternoon of 45 degrees and temperatures falling thereafter once the rain does start to come in more intensity. We'll see our red condition for our rain, red condition for our winds, and an orange condition for our ceilings. And we'll continue to monitor this system as it does appear things have trended towards more of a wintry situation for our Sunday night into Monday with this system. But we'll continue to monitor that as we move closer and give updates, and we'll have a more in-depth look at that at the 10 a.m. briefing, which will come later this morning. Hope everyone has a great day. As I mentioned, we'll be back at 10 o'clock later this morning.